Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well and doing their best to try and enjoy the glorious weather that we are having. Just such a shame that we are in lockdown, so we can't actually go out and enjoy it, but never mind. So today we're going to look at Cohorted. So this is a monthly beauty box. It is what I would consider a luxury high-end beauty box. Therefore, this will cost you $39.99, which I know sounds rather expensive, but I don't think there's been a box that I haven't really liked. And the products inside are normally really good and way over the value. So before we get into the unboxing, I would very much like if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel. I am trying to reach my goal of 2,000 subscribers, and I very much need your help and support in order to do it. So if you like these kind of videos of unboxings, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also just to let you know that I am running a giveaway. It's a JEFFREE Star Bloodlust Mirror, picture here. So if you fancy winning one of those, I'll leave the link down below, so just click onto that and you can enter yourself into winning the mirror. Okay, so let's get into this box. Now, I will say this is a hefty box. And, oh gosh. It has a sleeve on it, and then you have a glorious looking box like this. I have started to throw these away, which I really hate doing because they are such a nice box, but I'm getting inundated with different boxes and I just hate throwing them out because they're so gorgeous. Okay, and then it comes like this. So every month you always get a pamphlet. Again, this is really good quality. It just gives you some information on the products inside your box, and you always get a colossal amount of different leaflets, etc. If you guys want me to go through these at any point, just let me know. And then here are the goodies, which look absolutely amazing and fabulous. Okie dokie, So first of all, I can tell you that the box has a value of £205, which, you know, I think is pretty cool. And I'm just looking for our first product. So our first product is Volume Lotion. So that's going to be this. Look at the packaging on this. Absolutely stunning. So this is called Show Beauty. It's a luxe volume lotion. It has a recommended of £40. This luxurious volumizing and nourishing hair treatment provides instant structure to your locks once activated by heat. Styling tips for in between washes and to add that extra oomph. Apply on damp or dry roots along with spritz of dry shampoo. Blast with a hairdryer to achieve instant volume. Easy enough. So this packaging is just beautiful. I mean, this is something I will put out on display. I actually have a black bottle of this that I do use. I don't even know what it's for. But that is the black with, I think it's got gold around the bottom here. And I can't remember what box I got it out of, but I do use it and it's nice. It smells lovely. So I'm just going to spritz this and see what it smells like. If I can get any out. Oh, here we go. Oh, it comes out like a sort of a cream formula. I kind of thought it would be a spray. And it smells delicious. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Nice. I do like having collections for your hair. I think it makes all the difference. I mean, just look at that packaging. It's so stunning. Gorgeous. So that is the first product that we have out of our box. And then we have Show Beauty. This is a Decadence hair fragrant. It's recommended at £55. The Show Beauty Decadence hair fragrance is a nourishing perfume created by French fragrance house. I can't pronounce that. The fine fragrance embodies delicacies and warmth. It's also packed with antioxidants and conditioning properties to ensure softness and smoothness of your hair. And this would be, I believe, this one. Oh, again, look at the bottle on this. Wowza. Let's have a look. Let's give this a spray. Now that is a spray. Oh. Now there is like a behind smell, sort of like the hairspray smell, but there is definitely a fragrance there that is not too shabby. It is really nice. And look at that bottle again. I mean, imagine having these displayed out on your dressing table or in your bathroom somewhere. They look expensive. Well, I guess they are expensive, aren't they? Okay, next product, let's move on to that. So you just have to go through the book and find the products through the pages. So the next one we have is called Show Beauty. This is a Divine Thickening Mist. This has a recommended of £35. Apply a few pumps on damp hair from mid-lengths to ends and massage into hair. Follow with styling. This product is heat activated. For best results, apply heat after use. So the product we are talking about is this one. So it's like a gold tone, and this one was obviously the silver tone. It's quite a bit smaller as well. Okay, so let's have a look at this. This comes out as a spray as well. To be fair, all the products smell pretty similar. I mean, it's a nice smell. You can't really go wrong. So nice. Happy with that. Okay, we've got 2 more products to go. Okay, so next we have Show Beauty Sublime Repair Treatment Mask. This has a recommended of £40. Use once a week by smoothing through damp hair. Focus on the ends, leave for 10 minutes and rinse through. If you have extremely dry hair, leave it on overnight. So that one is, this is hefty. We've got it in here. Get the box on that. Even the box is lovely. Oh, this has got a tab. 1 second, I'll try and get into it. Let's see if I can puncture it. Yes. Wow. Guys, look at this. This is a hefty piece of, this is a glass jar. There's 200 milliliters in it. It's absolutely fantastic. So let's have a sniffy sniff. There's a light fragrance to it, but that's what it looks like inside. Let's just have a little feel. Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely. It's stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. I am really loving this box and I cannot wait to give my hair some very much needed TLC. Beautiful. Okay, and the final product we have in our box this month, this is called Show Beauty. This is a body shimmer oil. It's a recommended of £35. Apply a pipette of product directly onto skin, massage until fully absorbed. Best use on arms, shoulders, legs. Apply on collarbones and shins for body contouring. I mean, it's, you know, a nice amount of product you get in there as well. This is so, I'm going to actually give it a shake, just in case all the shimmers settled to the bottom. And this again is glass. Wow. So I'm just going to blob some on my arm and let's rub it in. Oh, rubs in effortlessly. Oh, I love that. It smells delightful, and I've got it all over my hands now. I don't know if you can see that. That is gorgeous. I will use that a lot, particularly on my legs, because I always tend to self-tan my legs because they are very white in comparison to the rest of my body. And that would be just nice just to put some down at the front of my shins like the booklet suggests. So yeah, I'm really, really, really happy with the products we received this month. Can't wait for next month. I do really enjoy getting this Cohorted. It's worth the money, 40 quid. Absolutely. Got to be up there with favourite box. High end for sure. Okay, well, if you haven't already subscribed, then I would really, really appreciate your help in helping me reach my 2,000 goal. And if you haven't already entered the JEFFREE Star giveaway mirror, then I'll leave the link down below for you. Till we speak again, please take care of yourselves. Try and have a great day. And I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Mwah. Take care. Bye.